I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah.
Yeah, I'm on Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Hi guys, this morning we got ourselves some dry bait. We got ourselves some shrimp this morning. I'm running some over under rigs. I sent out the dry bait on a knocker rig already. I'm gonna drop some fresh bait on these over under rig. I kind of had a little mishap this morning. I don't know what happened to one of my guide eye in this rod, but we're gonna continue using it because we're gonna end up changing this anyways. But I'm gonna use some fresh shrimp on the other line, guys. I see some jackfish running around out there. They're pretty active, so that means we have activity going on this morning. Like I said, guys, we ain't put nothing down out here, and we're gonna see what the best that we can do this morning, guys, and see what we can pick up off these 1/0 hooks this morning. I got 1/0 circular hooks on here, guys, with some fresh shrimp. I'm gonna bait both these lines up first before we go out. Pin that shrimp on there, guys. Get ourselves together. Get our alarms ready. Peoples. Get out here with our drop lines. Make sure everything secure. And here we go, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out there, guys. Alright, we got the 10-footer set, guys. And let's get this bad boy out. All right. Yeah. All right, guys, lines are set. I have these rigs set up and I'm waiting on something to pick up this morning. I don't know what we're gonna pick up. Can't predict what's out there in the water, people. Definitely can't predict what size fish you're gonna catch. You could probably predict, maybe predict a little bit of the species, because snapper is what's really running right now. You might pick up a 1-jack here and there, but like I said, guys, it's a sticky situation when you come out sometimes. It's not all the time that you pick up something. Sometimes you're out for hours and you don't get any bites. Sometimes you're out all day and you don't catch anything. But that's how it is at times, guys. You didn't put nothing down out here in nature, so come out here hunting something for dinner or maybe for lunch or something, and this is what you get. You know, it is what it is. Alright, guys, so big up yourself, stay tuned, and let's hope we pick something up. Reached into a little problem. I lost my rig a while ago and my guide eye fell out, so quick fix to this. So I have a swivel on top of my rig and I lost one of my hooks and the weight, so I pushed this one side now. I already took the guide eye off that's in my way, that's bothering me, right? And I'm still going to continue using this rod. I'm not going to put it out of line for now. I'm going to drop in here where I have pre-made rigs already, guys, that I have set up just for this. So we're not going to lose any more fishing time wasted trying to tie up another rig. We already have one set just for this purpose, guys. Bing. There we go. 2 seconds and our rig has been changed and we're ready to go. We are out of our problem. We're not sitting here trying to tie up rigs, guys, and wasting time fishing, because the more time that you're out the water, there's a fish out there biting that's passing by. You understand? So we pre-tie our rigs from home and come out, so we're not wasting time out here trying to catch. I got a good hookup a while ago. I don't know what happened, but something bit it. Maybe an eel or something. But all right, let's get this line back in the water. All right, we have them set up. Let that bird pass real quick before we throw any lines out there, because sometimes we do get them. All right, let's go. All right, we out there again. Good drop. Let's get this big boy out there again. Nice piece of shrimp on there, guys. I'll show you bait's hooked on there good, guys. Double pin it and shab off of there pretty quick. Alright, get that pinned properly. Just make sure you feel that hard section of the shrimp, guys. I think that was my error a while ago. I didn't make sure the thing was pinned very well. It's called a fisherman error, guys. Alright, got it. Make sure that's good. Let's get this out of here. Alright, ready to go. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Come on. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Got ourselves a double whammy. Yeah, man. Double whammy, guys. Jamaican shore fishing here. Got a yellowtail and a jack, peoples. That's what's up. Double whammy this morning. This is what's up, guys. Yeah, man. Mr. Paul Frazier. This guy's going back. Big up yourself. Out there. Alright. So, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Just got this lovely jack right here a while ago also. Nice dinner size fish. Good. So, yeah, man. This is dinner. He's hit. Come on. Bait up back again, people. I am out there again, guys. See that, guys? So the ocean's very unpredictable, guys. Viewers and subscribers, that's what's up. This is kind of action that I love, man. Get more of these rigs out there. That's what I need to do. Let's get back out there, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, guys, right out there. Bam. We are out there, guys. I'm telling you, we got another one again, people. Yeah, we got another little one again, guys. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. That's what's up. Yeah, these snappers are out there, boy. I was just hoping to get a bigger one. Check this out, guys. Nice lane snapper. Pretty beautiful fish, guys. Look at this. Jamaican shore fishing way, guys. Go back there, guys. That's what's up. Come on. Jamaican shore fishing. Come on, that's all she wrote, people. I'll take myself someone. Head home. Head in. We've been out here all morning, me and Laurie, since early this morning. Thought we would have picked up more fish than this. One jackfish. Well, we're thankful feet still, because as we say, we didn't put nothing down out there. But until next time, viewers and subscribers, we are out here. Yeah, man. Definitely you're pushing, people.